Good morning, girls. Welcome to the subject of BC. I, Kaushal Trivedi, going to tell you the third unit that is there in your syllabus. We are discussing from last almost 9 lectures about presentation strategy, about the media and modes we use for the communication. So basically we are learning about the business communication. And the third unit is about the job interview. The topic or the title of the topic for unit 3 is job interview, in which you are going to understand 3 questions, or rather 3 topics. The first one is about the preparation of an interview. The second is body language. We have to be very careful for the interview. And the third is attitude and personality in the interview that really matters as an individual for the performance during the interview. You all know that interview is very important stage to get a job. Being a candidate, you have to prove yourself on the every step you take for the interview. So hereby you will come across with the aspects related to the job interview. Let us begin the first question related to the preparation that we do for the interview. The question can be the best techniques for a successful job interview. Some of the tips for the interview that includes preparation. When you are interviewing for a job, little things can make a big difference. Of course, while appearing yourself for the interview, it matters a lot. The small thing gives you a big difference. Even a small mistake can cost you a job offer. Take the time to prepare. You can make the best possible impression at every job interview you go on. So you have to give your best possible impression to get a job for which you have applied. These interview techniques cover all the basic you need to know, polish up your interview techniques and give you an opportunity for a job interview. This will cover all the areas which are required for the job. From checking out the company to sending an interview, thank you note, make your meeting with the hiring manager, that is HR manager, a success from beginning to an end. You will come across by this question. Improve your interview technique. A job interview gives you a chance to shine. Again, you have to prepare yourself fully from all round development. What you say and do will either move you to the next round of consideration for employee or knock you out of contention. કાં તો તમે you are called for the, or you will be called for the second round, or you will not be considered and you'll be knocking out yourself from the interview. Here is how to improve your interview technique and wow the interviewer. Yes, this will give you an impact. What to wear, what to say, what not to say. Certainly do's and don'ts about the interview. And that will improve your impression before the interviewer. ઇન્ટરવ્યુઅર એટલે ઇન્ટરવ્યૂ લેનાર અને ઇન્ટરવ્યુઈ એટલે ઇન્ટરવ્યૂ આપનાર. ફર્સ્ટ ઇઝ ડ્રેસ ફોર ધ ઇન્ટરવ્યૂ. ડ્રેસ ફોર ઇન્ટરવ્યૂ સક્સેસ, તો કે સફળતા આપે સૌથી પહેલો ફર્સ્ટ ઇમ્પ્રેશન ઇઝ ધ લાસ્ટ ઇમ્પ્રેશન. તમને કોઈ વ્યક્તિ જોવે છે તો તમારા ડ્રેસથી પણ ઓબ્ઝર્વ કરે છે. The first impression you make on a potential employer can make a big difference in the outcome of your job interview. The first impression you make on a potential employer, and that gives a big difference in bringing the outcome for the interview. The first judgment an interviewer makes is going to be based on how you look and what you are wearing. સૌથી પહેલી નજર તો તમારા ઉપર પડે છે કે તમે કપડાં કેવા પહેરીને આવ્યા છો. Have you dressed properly yourself? That's why it's always important to dress appropriately for a job interview. What is appropriate varies by employer. So you will need to pick out an outfit that is fit for you want to get hired. તો કે એવા કપડાં પહેરીને આવવા જોઈએ કે જેથી કરીને તમે ઇન્ટરવ્યુઅરને ઇમ્પ્રેસ કરી શકો. That suits to your job profile. Second, brush up your interview skills. Definitely. જો ન ખબર પડતી હોય તો તમે બીજાને પૂછીને કે જે વ્યક્તિએ ઘણા બધા ઇન્ટરવ્યૂઝ આપેલા છે એની પાસેથી માહિતી લ્યો. ડ્યુરિંગ અ જોબ ઇન્ટરવ્યૂ, your ability to interact with the interviewer and articulate your thoughts are just as important factors in getting the job as the qualifications listed on your resume. જોબ ઇન્ટરવ્યૂ દરમિયાન શું થાય છે? Your ability to interact with the interviewer, from which and with your articulation, your thought. Articulate એટલે pronunciation, ઉચ્ચાર. Articulation of your thought એટલે કે તમારા એક્ઝેક્ટલી વિચારોને તમે વર્ડ્સમાં જ્યારે ટ્રાન્સલેટ કરો છો, when you transform your idea into words, and that words are just as important factor in getting job as the qualifications are mentioned in your resume. Take some time before the interview to ensure your interview skill set is set as ready as your resume. Third is minimize interview stress. ઇન્ટરવ્યૂનો સ્ટ્રેસ ન લ્યો, ખોટી ચિંતા ન કરો. Interview can be stressful, even if you are a pro who has gone on many of them. There are techniques you can use to minimize stress before the during your job interviews. એવી ટેકનિકનો ઉપયોગ કરો કે જેથી તમારો સ્ટ્રેસ છે એ હળવો કરી દે. And strategies you can utilize to reduce the anxiety that may accompany your job search. It will make it much easier to manage the interview when you are not feeling stressed. જો તમે સ્ટ્રેસફુલ નથી હોતા તો તમે તમારા ઇન્ટરવ્યૂને બહુ જ સારી રીતે મેનેજ કરી શકો છો. Fourth is make the best first impression. As I told you, first is the last impression. First impressions really do matter, and you do not have much time to make a good impression during a job interview. તમારી પાસે પૂરતો સમય નથી હોતો, એટલે કે ઓછા સમયમાં તમારી જાતને તમારે 100% પ્રૂવ કરવાની હોય છે. From the time you greet the receptionist until the time you leave the building, you are being evaluated as a potential new hire. Constant evaluation they do. Now CCTV cameras are available. They can observe you when you entered, when you talk or greet the receptionist, and until you leave the building. Up till that, you are evaluated being a newly hired candidate. It is important to leave everyone you meet with the best impression you can. It is important to leave everyone you meet, yes, that you are a good fellow, that you want to get a job and you are capable of in getting job. Number 5, sell yourselves to the interviewer. When you are in a job interview, it is up to you to sell your qualifications and credentials to the hiring manager. Yes, you have to prove yourself, you have to sell yourself. And how will you sell yourself? Like when you are in the interview, you have to prove your identity and you have to prove your qualifications, that this much of education you have got and your credentials, that the certificates are there, and so that can be easy for them to hire. You have to submit this thing to the hiring manager, so that person will get the assurity કે તમે ખરેખર capable of doing something છો. You will also need to show the interviewer that you are a good fit for both the position as well as for the organization. With some preparation, you will be able to present yourself as a candidate an organization would love to hire. Doing your best to get the hiring manager on your side will help you to get hired. Yes, you have to prove that you are not only the right candidate, but you are the right person for the organization, doing your best to get the hiring manager on your side, and so that will be helping you to get hired. Sixth is, what do when you are an introvert? Interviews can be really challenging when you are an introvert. તમે જ્યારે ઇન્ટ્રોવર્ટ હો છો ત્યારે ઇન્ટરવ્યૂઝ તમારા માટે વધારે ચેલેન્જિંગ બની જાય છે. But there are techniques to help introverts shine during job interviews, including how to prepare and handle an interview and how to sell your introvert personalities. Including how to prepare and handle an interview, how to sell your introvert qualities, and you can hide your introvert qualities at that point of time, because as a candidate you have to prove yourself as an extrovert. Take the time to say thank you after the interview. Interview પતી જાય પછી તમે thank you કહેવાનું નહીં ભૂલો. Taking the time to say thank you after a job interview not only is good interview etiquette, it also reinforces, એટલે કે વધારે સુદૃઢ બનાવે છે, your interest in the position, that yes, you are highly eager to get the position, and shows the interviewer that you have an excellent follow-up skills, કે તમારી પાસે ખરેખર follow-up skills, કે તમને ખબર પડે છે કે કઈ વાત કર્યા પછી શું બોલવું એ. Use your thank you letter as well to address any issues and concerns that came up during an interview. Practice interviewing. સતત તમારે એની પ્રેક્ટિસ કરતા રહેવી જોઈએ. If you are giving for the first time, then you have to give more practice to yourself. Taking the time to review typical interview questions you will probably be asked during a job interview will help you to a framework for your responses. Yes, you should be realizing that what type of questions will be asked to you, that will probably be asked by the interviewer, and that will help you to frame the answers accordingly. It will also calm your frazzled nerves. It will also calm your frazzled nerves, એટલે કે તમે ચિંતિત અને ઘણીવાર તમે પરેશાન બેચેની અનુભવો છો તે પણ. You will feel calm after getting the answers, because you won't be scrambling, you won't be finding the answer at a time, but because you are on the interview hot seat. Practice interviewing with a friend or a family member ahead of time. સમય પહેલાં એમની સાથે પ્રેક્ટિસ કરો. It will be much easier when you are actually in a job interview. So that is the reason to have a practice. before reaching for the interview place. Use your networking contacts. ઘણીવાર તમારા એ સંસ્થામાં જાણીતા વ્યક્તિઓ હોય તો એની સાથેનો કોન્ટેક્ટ બનાવો કે જેથી કરીને તમને એ વધારે કમ્ફર્ટ ઝોન પ્રોવાઈડ કરી શકે. વેન યુ નો એટ ધ કંપની યુ આર એન ઇન્ટરવ્યુઇંગ વિથ રિયલી ડઝ મેટર. કોઈ વ્યક્તિ જાણીતી છે, યોર કનેક્શન્સ કેન રીફર યુ ફોર અ જોબ, તો તમે એને રેફરન્સ તરીકે મૂકી શકો. દેટ પ્રોવાઈડ ઇનસાઇડ ઇન્ફોર્મેશન ઓન ધ કંપની. ઘણીવાર તમે અંદરની વાત જાણી શકો. એન્ડ ટેલ યુ વોટ ટુ એક્સપેક્ટ ડ્યુરિંગ ધ ઇન્ટરવ્યૂ, કે તમે અંદાજ લગાવી શકો કે તમને આવા પ્રકારની બાબતો પૂછવામાં આવશે. હિયર ઇઝ હાઉ ટુ યુઝ આઈ કોન્ટેક્ટ એન્ડ કનેક્શન્સ ટુ ગેટ એન ઇનસાઇડ એડવાન્ટેજ. It is not required, so I am deleting the thing. Next to this is check out the company. Check out the company, that means have an information about the company, that what exactly yes company is all about. How much do you know about the company that just contacted you to schedule an interview? How much do you know about the company? Company વિશે તમારી પાસે કેટલી ઇન્ફોર્મેશન છે, right? And accordingly, as per your contact, you will schedule your interview smoothly. It should be plenty and all the information you need is available online. ઘણીવાર એવું બને છે કે તમે ગૂગલમાં સર્ચ કરો, ઓન ધ ઇન્ટરનેટ પ્લેટફોર્મ, on the internet, through online platform you get much information about the company, and that all the information you may get available online. You can easily get the inside scoop on the company culture from the internet and use your connections to get an interview advantage. તો તમે અંદરની વાત જાણી શકો, ઇનસાઇડ સ્કૂપ એટલે. Sometimes what happens, like be prepared for a telephonic interview. ઘણીવાર એવું બને કે હેડક્વાર્ટર છે એ ડિસ્ટન્ટ લેવલે હોય. તમે ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ રાજકોટમાં રહ્યો છો અને એનું હેડક્વાર્ટર દિલ્હી કે બેંગ્લોર કે મુંબઈ સિચ્યુએટેડ છે, right? So they will prefer your interview either an online or a telephonic interview. While you are actively job searching, it is important to be prepared for a phone interview also for a short notice. You never know when a recruiter or a networking contact might call and ask you have time to talk about a job opportunity. You never know about the recruiter, you never know about the situation and opportunity. When the opportunity knocks, you can receive immediately. If they are calling you for the telephonic interview, then you said yes, or you should say yes. Handle a group interview. ઘણીવાર તમારી સામે આખું ગ્રુપ બેઠું છે, તમારે એને ડીલ કરવાનું છે, તો you should know how to handle the panel. Interviewing with one person is tough enough, but it is even harder when you have to interview with a group of interviewers. So in that case, you should know about the persons to handle the interview. Interview while dining. ઘણી વખત એવું બને કે જમવાના ટેબલ ઉપર, એટલે કે when you are invited for the dine at somewhere and taking you to breakfast, lunch or dinner provides the interviewer with a chance to take out your communication and interpersonal skills. So have you talk with person to person, have your communication is on the table, as well as your table manners in more casual environment than an office setting. This all they will judge while dining together with you. Here is an advice on how to handle an interview while dining, including what to order, dining interview and etiquettes, who pays, and more tips for interviewing with coffee or meal, but this is not required. We'll discuss about this interview techniques, like mistakes generally happens during the interview on tomorrow, because tomorrow is the Wednesday and you will be receiving the session. So almost here. Your planning for the interview, preparation for the interview, in which best techniques are provided for a successful job interview? This is the question regarding preparation for the job interview that you keep in mind. This will be there in your exam. And girls, let me tell you that unit number 1 and unit number 2, the material regarding unit 1 and 2 which I forwarded in form of document કે જે આપણી એપ્લિકેશન ઉપરથી મેં તમને ફોરવર્ડ કરી દીધું છે. You should have received the document અને તમે જોઈને વાંચવાનું લખવાનું શરૂ પણ કરી દીધું હશે. that you are following the words. You have to prepare notes accordingly. So 1 and 2 unit is done from my side. This is the third unit in which the first question almost we have done. Only the thing is remaining like do's and don'ts for the interview. It's a part of this question related to the preparation કે જે તૈયારીના ભાગરૂપે કરવા જેવી બાબતોને કરવા ન જેવી બાબતોમાં આવે છે. So this we will discuss on tomorrow, and we will be discussing about the body language on tomorrow. Fine. So we'll continue with the remaining part tomorrow. Thank you very much, girls, and have a nice day.